How to link your Facebook account to your Ubisoft account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can link your Facebook account to your Ubisoft account. So to do that, first of all, go to any web browser on either your mobile device or your desktop, and in the web address bar, simply type in ubisoft.com. After that, simply make sure you are logged into your Ubisoft account. Now once you're logged in, you'll have to tap on this icon which is in the top right corner of your screen. After that, a drop-down box will appear where you'll have to simply scroll down and then tap on the option Account Management. After that, wait for this page to load up, and once this page has been loaded up, tap on the option Account Information. Now scroll down until you see the option Linked Accounts. So under Linked Accounts, you can see all of the different accounts that are currently linked to your Ubisoft account, and you can see that Facebook is one of them. Now, since I currently don't have my Facebook account linked with Ubisoft account, in order to link, you'll have to tap on the option Link. After that, now wait for this page to load up as well, and once the page has been loaded up, if your Facebook account is already logged into your PC or your laptop or your mobile device, simply tap on the option Continue. But if yours is not, all you have to do is simply log into your Facebook account on this page or this window right over here. And once you've done that, wait for this to complete. And as you can see, you have successfully linked your Facebook account to your Ubisoft account. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.